As you know very well, food is very much important for us. It provides us energy to do various activities. It also helps in our growth, and we are also protected from infections by the same food. And the system belongs to digestion of food in our body is a digestive system. As we have already discussed, first part of the digestive system, that is mouth or oral cavity, having three main parts: teeth, tongue, and salivary glands. Today we are going to discuss about the remaining parts of the digestive system. Are you ready to learn science with me? Let's go. First of all, two activities are given at page number 143. What you are asked in activity number 1: open your mouth and look in the mirror. Observe the teeth, their shape and size. Count the number of incisors, canine, premolars and molars. And now look into the mouth of your friend and count the number of teeth he or she has. So, this is the simple activity you can do with the help of your friend. The second activity given here is to judge that how the small bumps that are the taste buds present on our tongue are responsible for tasting the taste of different substances like the sour, bitter, salty, or sweet. You can do it with the help of your friend or with the help of sister or brother. Now I'm going to explain your observation. If we look into the mouth, we observe that the visible part of our teeth, white in color, that is made up of the hardest substance of our body, enamel, is known as the crown. And crown, below the crown, the part of the tooth is known as root, which is embedded inside the gums. These teeth are arranged in a row in the jawbone. There are 4 types of teeth in our mouth and are having different shapes and size. First 4 teeth in upper and lower jaw are incisors. They are helpful in cutting and biting of the food as you are watching here. Second types of teeth are canines, 2 in the lower jaw and 2 in the upper jaw. These are helpful in tearing of things. Canines or tearing teeth of carnivores are too strong so that they can tear the flesh. Dear student, have you ever chewed the sugar cane? If you want to cut the sugar cane, you put the sugar cane under your incisors to cut the bite. And if you want to tear that, you put the sugar cane under your canines. In this way, incisors are cutting while canines are tearing teeth. Come to the next. 4 teeth of each lower and upper jaw are premolars. See the shape shown in the picture there. These teeth are having groove to grind the food. And likewise, 6 teeth in each jaw are there of molar teeth. They also help in grinding the food. So next time, if you are taking your food, don't forget to realize where you are putting the substance to cut or to chew or grind like that. Our second activity was about tongue. As you know, millions of taste buds are there on the surface of tongue, and these taste buds help in tasting different taste of the food. The prominent area where the particular type of taste is felt by us are given in the diagram. Sweet at the front, bitter at the back, and salty in the side, and sour at the back. This is all about the tongue. Now I'm taking the next part of our digestive system, that is the food pipe. Food pipe is also known as oesophagus. This is a tube-like structure purely made up of muscles and it is 30 centimeter in length. बड़ा स्केल होता है ना, छोटा 15 सेंटीमीटर का आप अपने पेंसिल बॉक्स में रखते हैं, बट जो उससे बड़ा होता है डबल साइज. एन अडल्ट पर्सन इज हैविंग द लेंथ ऑफ फूड पाइप 30 centimeter. And this food pipe acts as the connection between the mouth and the stomach. It acts as a passage for the food to slide down from the mouth to a bag-like structure called the stomach. You can say this is the fissile patti of the food. Food start sliding from the mouth through this food pipe to the bag-like structure that is called the stomach. This pipe is muscular, and the contraction and relaxation of these muscles help the food to slide down into the stomach. This is all about the food pipe or oesophagus. Now you are going to see the visual of this food pipe as this is. See, this is muscular organ, and the half cut portion is the actually windpipe which is present at the front of food pipe. So through food pipe, food reached up to the next destination, that is stomach. Stomach is a bag-like structure and is the broadest part of the digestive system. Here, food is churned, means mixed, and changed into a paste-like substance. In the stomach, the food gets mixed with gastric juices. These gastric juices are secreted by the gastric glands that are present on the inner wall of the stomach. These gastric juices digest the food and help in the digestion of proteins. Food stays here for 2 to 3 hours. From here, the food goes into the small intestine. What happens in the small intestine with the food? Before doing this discussion, let's take the two glands that plays an important role in the digestion of food. You can say in the digestive system. These glands are known as associated glands. Associated means सहायता करने वाली. Why these two glands are not considered as the part of digestive system. Why? Because food does not enter into these glands, but the juices from these glands, the secretions of these glands are sent to the small intestine where these juices help in the digestion of food. So dear student, liver and pancreas are the two associated glands present in the digestive system. Liver is the largest gland of our body and it is dark brown in color and it weighs 1.5 kilogram. It secretes a brownish green fluid called the bile juice, and the pancreas secretes the pancreatic juice, which contain certain enzymes. Enzymes are the chemicals that help in digestion of food. You can also see the location of pancreas. The leaf-like gland is known as pancreas, and the liver, the dark brown in color. Now, small intestine. The small intestine is the longest part of the digestive system. It is highly coiled tube, nearly 3 centimeter in diameter, chodai 3 centimeter, and lambai 7 meter. Small intestine is 7 meter in length. You can now see the coiled structure that is called the small intestine, and this small intestine is the part of the digestive system where the bile juice and the pancreatic juice mix with the food. Both these juices help in digestion. The small intestine absorbs nutrient from the digested food and takes them to all the cells of the body through the blood capillaries. The blood capillaries are present inside the small intestine, in which these nutrients of food are absorbed and sent to each and every cell. The food nutrients thus provide us energy, and the undigested and unabsorbed food is then enters the next part of the digestive system, that is the large intestine. Though large intestine is smaller than small intestine, but why it got its name large intestine? Because of its breadth. It is 7 centimeter in diameter and 1.5 meter long, a wide tube. Unlike the small intestine, the large intestine is wider and short, and the large intestine helps in absorption of water from the undigested food, because body knows the importance of water. 70% of our body is made up of water. That's why every drop of water is saved in the wonderful machine of our body. Now, the undigested food is, after the absorption of food, is collected in a pouch called the rectum. You are watching in the diagram. This rectum is the pouch where this semi-solid undigested food is stored and then expelled. This semi-solid waste is expelled or eliminated through an external opening called the anus. Now, dear student, this is how a bite of food, or you can say our food, is digested in our digestive system. Keep taking lots of roughage to broom inside your intestine to keep them clean. Have a good day, dear students.